Fundamental position of the arms and feet. Right side. First position. Raise arms to a circle in front of the chest. Bring heels close to touch, toes apart. Second position. Open arms sideward raise, shoulder level with a graceful curve. Bring feet apart sideward. Third position. Raise one arm overhead while other arm remains in second position. Heel of right foot close to instep of left foot. Fourth position. Right arm raised in front as in first position while left arm remains upward. Right foot in front of left foot in a pace distance. Fifth position. Both arms raised overhead. Heel of right foot close to big toe of left foot. Left side. First position. Second position. Third position. Raise one arm overhead while other arm remains in second position. Heel of left foot close to instep of right foot. Fourth position. Left arm raised in front as in first position while right arm remains upward. Left foot in front of right foot in a pace distance. Fifth position. Both arms raised overhead. Heel of left foot close to big toe of right foot.